Hey guys, so today's unboxing is for the Mauve Lush box, which is a brand new and a brand new launch in the market, and I'm so excited to talk about this, guys, because I have already opened the Mauve Lush box and I'll quickly take you through it because it's really good. Like, I just opened the box and I was genuinely very surprised to see what's inside the box. So it says on the box over here, Mauve Lush, all things happy, and this is what the packaging is like. So the packaging is really cool. It's a pretty big box, by the way. Usually subscription boxes are like this thick, but this one is like really huge. So this is the Mauve Lush box. I'll put the link down in the description box below. This is the October box. Yes, it's the October box, and you can get this at rupees 1999. But if you're one of the first 15 subscribers, you will get a 10% off. So you can get this for rupees 1799 if you make your subscription real quick. Now, I have already opened the box, like I just said. By the way, please ignore my nails. I haven't done my nails for a while. And everything over here was packed in bubble wrap and layers of packaging, really. So I have already opened all of that. It was actually packed really well. So I don't know where to start. Okay, let me start with the favorite thing I got in this box. It's a lifestyle subscription box. Okay, so they have all kinds of things in here. So this is basically a bird cage, and they have actually put in these beautiful fairy lights. This is something which I'll actually be using in my video background a lot because it just looks really pretty. Let me actually turn this thing on and show you how it looks. Once you turn on the lights, it looks very cute. So this is what, so basically, you can actually arrange this these fairy lights in so many ways. You can put this around the table. You can just use this as a lamp. You can do a lot of things with it, but I just want to light this thing up and just show you. Okay, wait. I really need to pull the wire here. Okay, wait. I probably shouldn't rush with the things, otherwise I'll probably end up breaking something over here. So it's really pretty, guys. It's like something which you can keep on your bedside. You can keep this just on a table. You can keep this in a showcase or whatever. Okay, let me quickly switch this light on and show you what this looks like. So that's the first thing I got in the box, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Just look at this. If you want, you can also use this bird cage in a lot of ways. Like, you can put cute little things inside this bird cage. If you want, you can also put like a little photograph, like a small photograph you can put and just decorate with the fairy lights, and the rest of the fairy lights can decorate the rest of the furniture or whatever. There are like literally millions of ways in which you can use this. So I'll just put this thing aside, or maybe not that much aside. I kind of want this in the video. It's so pretty. Okay, so it's really cute. Okay, so that's the first thing I got in this box, which I absolutely love. Then there are some cranberries over here, and this is from Rosta. So these are cranberries, and then there is a Monsub collagen face mask. So this is basically a sheet mask from Monsub. I have talked about Monsub face mask. I've talked about collagen face mask, sheet masks a lot of times on my channel, so I'm not going to go into too many details. There's a little information card here which I will not show you, otherwise you will know what I'm going to talk about next. It ruins the surprise. And they have also sent me this jewelry. Oh my god, this jewelry is so cute. It's actually really good for the festive season. In fact, even these lights are really good for the festive season, especially for Diwali time and all. If you just want to light up something in your house. And guys, also very quickly, I want to show you this kimono thing. I know you're thinking this is an up close video. Why is she in the video? I kind of just want to make an exception this time. Because otherwise it would be very difficult to show this kimono. It's kind of really huge and I wouldn't be able to put this in the frame. So this is just like a really cool free size kimono. It's free size, I can wear it, Gaurav can wear it, although I'm sure Gaurav won't wear it because it's for women. But yeah, you get the idea, right? It's free size and it's like so cool, man. I just love the pattern over here. I love the design over here. And the rest of it is like totally black in color, by the way. It comes up till here. And the best thing about this kimono again is that the design is so evergreen. Like, you can have this in your wardrobe for years and years and it still won't go out of style. Even better, you can wear this with your jeans, your dresses. You can wear this with your skirts. You can wear this on your Indian outfits also. For example, if you're wearing a salwar kameez, like say a plain white salwar kameez, and it's looking like really boring, so you can just like put this thing on and you're done. It just looks like really cool, and I don't know, I really like it. Plus the quality is very nice. The last product is another face mask from Monsub, and this is a gold facial crystal collagen mask. So this is basically a gold mask, and it's a little different from the regular sheet mask. Okay, let me take this lamp away because it's taking up too much of space, and it's a up close video, so space is really a big problem sometimes. Okay, so this is the Monsub gold facial mask. Okay, so this is not exactly like the regular sheet mask. It's not flimsy and thin like a regular sheet mask. This definitely looks interesting, something like a little different from what we usually talk about. So let me see, maybe I will do a live session or a little story around this. I don't know, maybe I'll post something about it because this looks like something different. So yes guys, those are all the products which I got in this box. The cranberries, the face masks, the earrings, the really cute bird cage with the fairy lights, and this really useful poncho. I am honestly very impressed with this poncho. It's again, you know, like really good quality, very useful, something which you can actually have in your wardrobe for ages. No, it won't even go out of style. So guys, that's what I got in my Mauve Lush box. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this new subscription box. I think it looks really promising, and it definitely has something very interesting and new to offer. There's so many subscription boxes in India. It's kind of difficult to find a box which is a little different sometimes, you know. Most of the boxes I feel they're doing the same thing, but this is a little different. I mean, I like the collection and the selection over here. Collection and selection. So yes guys, that's the Mauve Lush box. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. Like already mentioned, the links have been shared. The link has been shared in the description box below. And if you have any queries, you can ask your queries away. I'll try my best to get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye. Bye.